Hello everyone, a very good morning to you again. Welcome to the technical charts analysis section. So let us have a look and see what happened to the US dollar and the major currencies and also on commodities such as gold and oil. Let's understand what was the movements as of last Friday and what is the sentiment now as of this morning. Okay. So we can see that this is the US dollar index. Again, the US dollar index shows us whether the US dollar was strengthening or weakening, okay, or consolidating, okay. So we can see that the US dollar has been slightly bullish ever since the 23rd of June when it touched the consolidating line or the support lines on the H4 charts, okay, over here, this one, okay. So ever since having some consolidation on the 23rd of June, the US dollar has been bullish for 1 day, 2 days, and has been consolidating on the Friday, okay. So on Friday it finally moved up to touch the resistance levels again of the H4 charts, as on Thursday it didn't really touch, almost touch, but didn't quite make it. It consolidated for another day before moving up to test the resistance again and being in consolidation phase, and after testing the resistance it retraced back down, okay. So as of this morning we can see the US dollar is marginally weak against most of the major currencies. So with the US dollar moving down a little bit, we can see that the UK pound as of this morning is moving up about 37 pips, okay, not too bad of a move for the Asian trading session. So again, the US dollar for last Friday, it was consolidating, and this is the first candle, 1400 plus 5 is 19, which is 7 p.m. The US dollar strengthens, okay. So we should see the UK pound also weaken at about 7 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. So this was the candle, okay, this was the candle, 1400 plus 5, again that is 1900 hours, 7 p.m. The UK pound weakens from 1.2412 all the way to a low of 1.2314, okay. So the UK pound weakened for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, 4 candles, and at the low of 1.2314 it moved down a total of about 97 pips, okay. So that was for the UK pound. Let's have a look at the euro dollar. Euro dollar was mostly consolidating last Friday after touching a low of about 1.1195. We can see that the euro dollar managed to rebound, okay. So it was mostly trading in a consolidation phase again as of this morning, with the US dollar being marginally weak, okay. We can see that the euro dollar is moving up this morning, okay. So it moving up about 25 pips, nothing major yet, but at least it is recovering a little bit, consolidating, okay. So let us have a look at the gold prices. Gold prices as of last Friday or last Thursday, it was actually consolidating in a range, and as of last Friday's Asian trading session, it moved down from 1765 to a low of 1758, and towards the evening session, okay, over here, okay, this candle 1500, which is plus 5 hours, which is 20, this would be 8 p.m. local Singapore and Malaysia time. Gold prices moved down from 1763 to test the low again of 1747. This was the previous low achieved on the 23rd of June, and then after, the gold prices had a strong rebound, okay, had a strong rebound at about 1700. This is at plus 5, which is 22, which is 10 p.m. Bounces back up from 1747 within 1, 2, 3, 4 hours or so, touches a high of about 1771, okay. As of this morning, gold prices opened at the high and it managed to close the gap, and gold prices has been consolidating within about $7.30 range at the moment. Okay, so at the moment the gold prices are still largely bullish, okay, after consolidating on the 1 hour chart and also on the H4 charts. Okay, so there's still a tendency for gold prices to move higher. Okay, so here we go. So let's have a look at oil prices. Oil prices, as of last Thursday, found some support and moved back up. However, towards Friday, we can see that oil prices couldn't get past this resistance for quite a number of hours, and towards 5 p.m. okay, and 5 p.m. and then later on at 1400 again. This is at 7 p.m. local Singapore Malaysia time. Oil prices dropped from $39.06 all the way down to a low of $37.83. So this was about a $1.22 drop. Okay, so again, US dollar is still consolidating at a high range, so there could be a tendency for it to test this support again. If it breaks this support, it could go down further. So if the US dollar continues to drop, we should see the UK pound, which has been dropping for quite some time. We should see the UK pound consolidating and having a tendency to move possibly slightly higher. Okay, that is assuming that it can get past this level. Okay, same for the euro dollar, is in the consolidation phase, and we should see later on whether it can move up further or come down. Okay, but looking at this currently, there's a high chance it may pull back a bit down first. So yeah, so that is the latest market updates in terms of the news, and also in terms of the price action for the respective instruments. Okay, this is the S&P 500. Again, we see that the S&P 500 had difficulty getting past the 3085 levels last Friday. Okay, so after testing it for quite a number of hours, it finally came down at about 1400, 7 p.m. again. The S&P 500 moves down about 81 points. Okay, so yeah, so these are the current latest price action and also sentiment. So watch out for the afternoon session 2 to 4 p.m. and also the evening US trading session at 7 to 9 p.m. So have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.